Start your day right, a yoga morning routine for every day. Wake up and greet the morning sun with us. Today, we're guiding you through a simple, refreshing yoga routine to kickstart your day on a positive note. Roll out your yoga mat, find a peaceful spot in your home, or step outside into the fresh air. This routine is designed to be accessible wherever you feel most comfortable. We begin with a moment of stillness. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any lingering sleepiness or tension. Begin to connect with the rhythm of your breath. Now, gently move into a child's pose. Let your forehead rest on the mat, your arms extend out in front of you, and feel your body sink into this restorative position. Slowly rise into a tabletop position. On your inhales, transition into cow pose, dropping your belly towards the mat and lifting your chin and chest. As you exhale, arch your back for cat pose. Next, we'll move into the downward facing dog. This pose stretches the entire body, preparing you for the day ahead. Feel your hands and feet pressing down while your hips push upwards. Transitioning to a standing forward bend, let your upper body hang freely over your legs. Feel the release in your spine and the gentle stretch in your hamstrings. Moving upward, bring your hands to your heart in mountain pose. Stand tall and firm, embodying the strength and stability of a mountain. Feel rooted in your space while reaching for the sky. Now, a warrior two pose will energize and strengthen you. Stand with your legs apart, one foot forward, arms extending in opposite directions. Feel that strong, warrior energy within you. As we wind down, ease into a seated forward bend. Stretch your legs out, reach for your toes, and feel the calming stretch along your spine and legs. End your practice with Savasana, the final resting pose. Let your body relax completely, absorbing the benefits of your morning yoga routine. Remember, each day is a new beginning. With this yoga morning routine, you're starting your day with clarity, peace, and a sense of readiness for whatever comes your way.